Hello children, how are you? Fine? Good. So children, today our subject is English. E for English. In English, we are learning small alphabet, and in small alphabet, we have already completed letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E, and letter F. So today in this video, we are going to learn small letter G and small letter H. This is capital letter G and this is small letter G. And what is the sound of G, children? G. G says G. So let's revise the identifier of letter G. G for giraffe, G for girl, G for grapes, G for got, G for gorilla, G for gate, G for gumboots, and G for gloves. So children, do you know that the sound of G is G, but sometimes the sound of G is J also. See here G for giraffe and here G for girl. So here the sound of G is J, giraffe, and here the sound of G is G. See children, here capital letter G and capital letter G, how to write that we have learned in SEM 1. So now we will learn how to write small letter G. So let's learn how to write, but first what we do? First we trace letter G. See children, letter G will start from second line. We have to start from the second line and this is very easy to write. Let's see what we do first. Start from the second line. First do small letter C. Then go up, come down straight to the fourth line, and from here you have to take a turn. This is small letter G. Let's do again. First what we do? We have to start from the second line and end with the fourth line. First we have to do small letter C, and then from here come straight down and take a turn. This is letter G. So like this way you have to trace letter G, and then what we do? Then we write letter G. So let's learn how to write. See children, you have to start from the second line, from this blue line. What we do first? First we do small letter C. Then from here only you have to go up to the starting of letter C. See, like this, and then from here come straight down and then to the fourth line take a turn. This is small letter G. Children, small letter G start from the second line, letter C first, and then go up, come straight down to the fourth line and end with the fourth line. Letter G will start from first line, second line, start from second line and end with fourth line. Like this way you have to write letter G in this three line. Now we write letter G in our English book. This is capital letter G and this is small letter G. G for gun. G says G. So first let's trace here. For what we do first? First we do small letter C. Then here go up. Then come straight down. Then take a turn. G. G says G. Now let's see how to write letter G. Children, you have to start from the second line. See here dot is given. From here you have to start. First we do small letter C. Second line to third line. Then from here go up to the starting of C. And then come straight down to the fourth line and take a turn. G, small letter G. G says G. Children, whenever you write small letter G, what you speak? G says G. Children, your letter G should not go up to the second line and down to the fourth line. It should be right from the second to fourth line, okay? So now let's learn letter H. This is capital letter H and this is small letter H. H says H. The phonic sound of H is H. So let's revise the identifier of letter H. H for horse, H for hat, H for hut, H for hen, H for helicopter, H for house, H for hand, H for hammer. This is capital letter H, and how to write capital letter H that you know already. So now let's learn how to write small letter H. First we trace small letter H. Children, small letter H start from the first line and go to the third line. Okay. So first from the first line we have to draw one standing line to the third line, and then from here only go back to the second line, then draw one down curve to the third line. Easy children, let's do again. First line to third line, standing line, go back to the second line and draw one down curve to the third line. Easy. H says her, like this way you have to trace letter H, and now let's learn how to write letter H. So from where you start? Start from the first line, draw one standing line to the third line, go back to the second line and draw one down curve to the third line. Small letter H, like this way you have to write small letter H in these three lines. This is capital letter H and this is small letter H. H says her, H for hut. So now let's trace letter H. Draw one standing line, go up and draw one down curve. Easy. So children, now let's write here in these four lines. We have to start from the first line. From here, first draw one standing line, first line to third line. Go back to the second line, draw one down curve to the third line. H says her. Let's write again. Standing line, go back to the second line and draw one down curve to the third line. H says her. Children, whenever you write, speak. H says her. Like this way, complete this full page.